I'm going to show you how to get CSV files into SAS Studio, and this is the CSV file I'm going to be working with. Uh, CSV is comma separated values, so you can see that the delimiter in each case is a comma, and we have these variables. So as far as getting that into SAS so we can work with it, you'd start by interactively uploading the CSV file into SAS. So I have it here as just in a random folder. So once you upload it in there, now you have the information necessary to make it into a SAS data set. So I'm just going to call it data. And by not putting something before data, it automatically goes into the work library. But yeah, that's fine for my purposes right now. So yeah, then you would put in file, and the best way to make sure you don't mess up the path is to just copy and paste it. And there's a few things we want to tell SAS before we execute this. If you can see it, you can see that there's a header row. So we're going to tell SAS that the first observation is 2 rather than 1. And also the delimiter that SAS assumes, a delimiter is what we use to separate values. SAS assumes it's a space, so if we say delimiter sensitive data, DSD, then SAS is going to look for common delimiters, and in this case it's going to recognize the comma as the delimiter. Next, we're going to, so SAS is now recognizing commas as delimiters, so it's going to see that there's like 7 or however many per row, and it's going to try and figure out what to call those. So we can give it help by saying input, and then just separating each of these variables. Sorry, this is going to take a second. There, and now we can run that, and that should bring it into SAS as a workable file here.